Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to get your Google Chrome as default web browser. Now first, right click on start icon and go to settings, or otherwise just click on the start icon, and here also you can able to reach the settings. Now just click on the settings. In left side, click on the option apps, and on right side click default apps. Now here just type Chrome. Here you can able to get the Google Chrome and just click on the arrow button. Here you can able to see different type of extensions .html, .html, .pdf, .html. So you can able to set different type of extension as a Google Chrome as a default web browser. Now I'm just going to view my PDF file in Google Chrome and just clicking the arrow button and give a switch anyway. Now just click on your Google Chrome and click OK.